Every day, billions of people around the world rely on doors and entrances in daily life. Most of the time, they don't even notice that the doors are there. They just work. If they're automatic, that is. ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems has a strong track record of providing automated entrance solutions that are convenient and enable you to perform at your best, both in business and in life. By powering doors, we empower you, your business, and your customers to enter new worlds with peace of mind. Over the years, we have acquired some of the strongest brands in the industry: Bisam, Crawford, Albany, and Megador, to name a few. Their founders shared the same pioneering spirit and vision to create products and services that help customers improve their businesses and seize new opportunities. Today, we have a comprehensive portfolio of innovative and reliable automated entrance solutions that connect people, places, and goods seamlessly and efficiently. For industries like distribution, logistics, and manufacturing, we power businesses with more efficient operations, energy savings, and enhanced security. In retail, healthcare, hospitality, and transportation, we empower people with the ability to move freely without having to open any doors. As your dedicated partner, we support you throughout the entire building process, from design and installation to service and modernization. Our experienced and specialized service teams are always there to take care of your doors, so you can focus on taking care of your business. With us by your side, you can enjoy the strength of a global supplier combined with the convenience and care of local support. Are you also interested in discovering the power of automatic doors? We help you to open up for an efficient flow of goods and people with entrance solutions for the front, back, and interior of any building. Solutions that every day make you feel safe, so you can experience a more open world. ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems. Powering doors, empowering people.